The clip on this Ethernet is broken, so let's fix it. You're gonna need cutters, crimpers, and this spinny thing, and yeah, let's cut that. And then I like to use this, it makes it a lot easier to get the jacket off. So if your wire has this middle thing, what you want to do is move the wires out of the way and cut it. Next, you need to unravel the wires, straighten them out. You can use the provided paper or anything on the internet to get the order of the wires. I personally find it a lot easier to just take the other end or any other Ethernet cable you have and compare the order. And what I'm going to do is just copy that order. So I find the process a lot easier when I straighten out the wires and cut the end so they're all straight. The order we're looking for is light orange, orange, light green, blue, light blue, green, light brown, brown. Essentially, the green wires cross over. The order is going to be flipped if you're looking at it from the clip side. So it'll start with brown and end at light orange. Once you get the wires through, the next step is to crimp it. On these specific crimpers, there is a blade at the end to cut the wires once it crimps. So you want to make sure you get all the wires through. Once you see that you see 8 wires, then go ahead and crimp. This is why the crimpers aren't the best. They don't cut 2 of the 8 wires fully, but they come off pretty easily. And there you go. You now have a working Ethernet cable. This is important to note. You want to make sure you squeeze very tightly so that that clip thing goes in all the way and holds the wire. And that's pretty much it. Congratulations, you have graduated from crimping school.